Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time being here, my name is Anastasia, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how I made this beautiful frontal lace. If this is what you like to watch, please watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, share this video to your friends, and let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, let's get right into the video.
Cause I walk around with the bank on him, show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.
So guys, what we'll be needing a dummy head, and you'll be needing a crochet pin, your scissors, and of course your hair bundle and your lace, your closure net. So I'm going to try and fix it on this dummy head to make it very comfortable for me, and I like using this white paper under so that the holes can be very transparent while I'm ventilating. Okay, so you won't stress your eyes. So guys, as you can see, we started at the back. Okay, so here I used 3 strands of hair, 3 to 4 strands of hair at the back. So guys, I'm going to be leaving only one line. If you look closely, I'm going to be leaving only one line. I vent the next line and I jump just one line, and I vent the other one. And the reason is that I don't want the frontal to come out scanty. I actually want it to come out a little fuller, because this is a short hair, it's not that long. So if it's short and scanty, it's not going to be fine. So that's why I only leave one hole. I only leave one hole and I vent the other. I leave one, I vent the other. I leave one, I vent the other. So guys, let's be going.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Is that the way that you want me to tell me with this all thing, all thing, I never tried you, baby. This love will make me the starting. No.
So guys, if you look closely, you're going to see I just leave one hole and I vent the next hole. So that's how we'll be going until we get to the front.
Got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. Now deciding I should go to the club with your boys, baby. I ain't never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all the flex in front of your friends? How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, keep
That's not
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like
Funkilla.
I let it fall, my heart. Does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong.
So guys, you're venting the front hairline now. So here you're going to be very careful. You make sure you pick only one strand of hair, and you still use the same method you used in the beginning. You vent one line, you vent one hole and you leave the other. You just leave one hole space. You vent one hole and you leave the other hole. So we're going to be venting one single hair. You take only one hair so that it will make the front look natural. After using this method of using only one strand of hair, you don't need to pluck the frontal. When you're done, you're going to see it will be looking very natural. You don't need to start plucking because it's going to come out looking already plucked because of the method you used, the one strand of hair method. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch the rest of the video. I'll see you at the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it to your friends. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section. I will be waiting for you down there.
But I just love it when me fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Right after that, they give you love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bond. I know you want your cat, then me just can't perform. I love you, baby. I show you get the little loving on me God. Don't know how to love me. I don't have time for no kissing.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know, you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this shit, know this shit, know what it is.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down.
so guys, this is the final look. You can see how the front is looking. It is looking beautiful. It is looking pre-plucked. You don't have to pluck the hair anymore because it is very okay as it is now. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video and I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, I'll be waiting for you guys in the comment section. Don't forget to leave your thoughts. I love you guys. Thank you. Bye.